Hey guys, what's up? I just thought I would show you what I did for this closet entry with these curtains. I took off some old metal doors from my closet and I've been waiting to install new closet doors. But in the meantime, I decided to get curtains and went with these, and I really like the look of it. However, I'm actually so happy with it that I'm considering not replacing the closet doors because I think it looks nice enough. At first, I was like, oh, I don't know that curtains are going to look great, but they really do look super nice. And I'm really happy with the way that they've come out. The curtain material, you can see, is really well made. I like this color a lot. Here's the lining of that. These are like blackout curtains. Doesn't really matter for a closet, but I do like that I can't see through them to anything in the closet. And then they slide really easily on the bar here. And yeah, they've just been awesome. So anyway, just thought I would show you what they look like in front of a closet. I hope this helps you, and I hope you have a great day.